How to create an account on PictureThis. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on PictureThis. So to do that, first of all, download the app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the option continue and then simply wait for this cut screen to end. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to basically choose whether you'd like to select a 7 days free trial or a 1 month trial for $2.99 a month. After that, you'll have to pay $50 per year. So for now, I'll simply go with the free 7-day trial and then tap on the option continue. Or if you want, you can also tap on the cancel button on the top right corner of your screen. And then you will have basically opened PictureThis app on your phone. So now if you want to try, you can simply try or identify, but for now I'll simply cross this out. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create an account on PictureThis. Basically, you don't even have to create an account. You can simply open the app and you will be able to use its features. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.